So today we're going to be taking a look at how you can screenshot on your Mac computer. Now this is a really essential tool if you want to show someone something on your screen, or just like screenshot part of the screen, and we'll show you how you can do both of those today. The simple method and the more complex method. But so to get started, you want to look at your keyboard, and first of all you want to find Command, you want to hold down Command, Shift and 3. And that's going to take a basic screenshot, as we can see down here in the right hand corner. It's and it'll appear up here. This is just your typical basic like full screen screenshot. As you can see, we'll just close that down. And if you want to take like a screenshot of a particular part of the screen, all you have to do is Command, Shift and 4. And as you can see, we can now select our area like so. And the other cool thing about this is that it shows you how many pixels the image is. So you can see down there, it's probably a bit hard to see, but it's even a bit hard for me to see on my side. It's about like 400 by like 100 and something. But yeah, we just screenshot that, just let go of the buttons. You'll hear the sound maybe, it might not pick up on the microphone, but we move that along. As you can see here, we now have a screenshot of like our selected area. There is another way you can screenshot as well. That's coming into your launchpad. It will typically be stored in the other folder, but we'll just type it in. Screenshot. As you can see, there's actually an application. And this is a more like comprehensive, maybe. I don't know how you'd want to call it. I don't think this is as convenient personally for screenshotting on the go. But as you can see, you can capture an entire screen, you can capture a selected window, or like a selected portion, or you can even do the screen recording from here, as well as some options. But if you want to know how to do screen recording, we do have a video on that on the channel. But yeah, to exit out of that, we can just click escape. And that's how you do screenshotting. It's a very simple and very useful tool for everyday life. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.